I have this owl from the Dollar Tree, and I have some of these leftover hardware from furniture, and these were door knockers, and I just took the outside rim and I'm gluing them onto the eyes. And then this is some pendants that I had to make necklaces with. I put one on as a nose. I took these feathers and added them to his wings, and I mimicked both sides with the same pendants. And I'm using my stick fast for this. And then I had these little gears that I put on the feet, and then I put gears on the inner parts of the eyes. Then I'm going to take some Rust-Oleum ×2 in the black and spray that. And once that dries, I'm going to go in with some paint. This is Bowie and Snow Owl mixed together. And I'm just going to do the body and the upper part of the head in this blue. What's great about the back being black is that I don't have to really worry about full coverage, and it's going to give me that vibe I'm looking for. This is our Wise Owl metallic in the gold. And I'm doing every other floral space around the eyes, and I'm going to highlight all the gears also with this gold. And again, I don't need full coverage. This makes this very easy to fill in. I did the feathers on the wings. And then the nose. I'm going to take Snow Owl and go around the outside portion of the eyes. Then I'm going to add some gems in the center of the gear on the eyes, and I'm going to add a gear in the top hanger hole. I found this round piece of wood from the Dollar Tree. I removed the hanger, and I also found this fabric also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue it to my circle here. And I'm just doing this in sections because the hot glue does dry kind of quickly. Then I'm going to take some pinking shears and cut around the edge and remove the excess material. Then I'm going to take a nail and go through the fabric and reinsert the hanger. And then I'm going to take some stick fast and some hot glue and glue down my owl. This was a really fun way to decorate him. And then I added Welcome Fall. I got this at Hobby Lobby and sprayed it in gold and added it to his belly area. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitoutfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, and don't forget our cutouts, chalkitoutfancy.com.